my YouTube channel. This is my new video series on 2D geometry, also known as two-dimensional geometry. So in this video we will be covering about point and straight line, and in further videos we will be covering circle and conic section. So this will be a video will be of 8 to 9 lectures. So this is the first lecture of two-dimensional geometry. So first thing is point and straight line. So as you might be knowing about, this is the first quadrant of the x-axis, and here is the y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, and this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, both the x-axis and y-axis points are positive. In the second quadrant, the x-axis is negative and the y-axis is positive. In the third quadrant, both points are negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive but y is negative. So here is a point P whose coordinates are x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is known as abscissa and y-axis is also known as ordinate. How to draw a point? A fixed line is passed through minimum of 2 points. To draw a line we required minimum of 2 points. So without having with 1 point we cannot draw a line. To draw a perfect line we required minimum of 2 points. So here is an equation of here are some equations of line. Those are ax plus by equals to c. This can be a line. So ax equals to b where there is no coefficient of x or x is 0. This is also known as line, and here in this last equation there is only y-axis and x-axis is 0. So further, here is ax plus by equals to c. This is the standard equation of linear equation. So a is the coefficient of x, coefficient of y is b, and x and y are variables. So we will solve the first example, that is 3x plus y equals to 5. To find the points where the points will be lying on this graph, we will take the first x-axis equals to 0 and we will get y-axis equals to 5. So the first point will be 0, 5. We will point it in this graph, and the second point will be by taking y is equals to 0, we will get x equals to 5 by 3. So the second point is 5 by 3, 0. So we will point this graph, and this is the line. This is L1. This is the line. So further we will be discussing about how to find the equation of this line where line is passing through 1 point or 2 points. Then you can try these questions afterwards. I will be simply discussing the basic concept regarding this topic. So if x equals to 0, x equals to 0 means the line will be on y-axis, and if the y equals to 0, then the line will be on x-axis. This is the basic concept. And how to find the midpoint of 2 points, midpoint of any 2 point. So taking a as x1 and y1 and b as x2, y2, to find the midpoint of this line AB, we will take the coefficient of we will take point a points x and b points x and divided by 2, adding and divided by 2. Same for the second ordinate, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we will get the m as midpoint. So this is the first question. We will try this question. 3, 2 is 1 point. We will take it as a, and 4, 6 is another point is b. So we will find the midpoint will be 3 plus 4 divided by 2, this is 7 by 2, and 6 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2. Then midpoint will be 7 by 2 comma 4. So you can try these questions afterwards. So next topic is the distance between 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points, we must require the position of the 2 points, that is A and B. We will assume it as x1 and y1 and x2 y2. So the distance will be root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. You can replace the x1 and x2 value as it is written inside the square brackets. So at last the sign will be positive only. So to find the distance between these 2 points, that is point A and point B, there it will be root of 4 minus 3, that is 1 square, and 3 minus 2, that is 1 square, that it will be root 2. And you can try this sum also. This is a standard level question where little bit of trigonometry is being used. Then the next concept is intersection point of two lines. So these are the two lines, that is line L1 and L2, L1, L2, L1 and L2. So intersection of two lines can be in a single point, or there in this case there is no intersection point as the lines are parallel to each other. And in the last situation, the line is coincide with another line, L1 coincides L2. So there will be multiple infinite intersection points between L1 and L2 in the last situation. So to find if the line is intersecting on single point, one intersection point, or if the line is intersecting on infinite intersection points, or if the line is not intersecting at all. So here is the line L1 and line L2. Line L1, equation of line L1 is A1 x plus B1 y equals to C1, A2 x plus B2 y equals to C2. So to find if the line is having one intersection point, then it will be taking coefficient of x axis, that is A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2. Then it is having only one intersection point, unit intersection point. Then in second situation, taking the coefficient of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and the constant, that is c. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. Then there will be no intersection point. The line will be parallel to each other. Then the third situation, that is infinite solution. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. Then it will be infinite solutions, infinite intersection point. Here also we can find if they have given the equation 1, that is line 1 is 3x minus 2y equals to 5 and 6x minus 4y equals to 7. To find if the line is having one intersection or no intersection point or infinite intersection point, we will do 3 upon 6 is 1 by 2, 2 upon 4 is 1 by 2, and 5 upon 7 is 5 upon 7 only. So it will become not equals to by 2. So in this case, this is having no intersection point. The line will be parallel to each other. You can check the solution below also. So you can try these questions at home. Intersection points question. Then the next topic or the next concept is internal division of 2 points. So there is a line A, B, and the x-axis of A and x-axis and y-axis of A is x1, y1, and x2, y2. These are also known as the point A and B, and the point P divides this equation in the ratio m is to n. Divide this point in the ratio m is to n. So the equation of the point will become we will multiply m into x2 and n into x1 divided by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. This is also known as internal division. So further we will study about external division also. So here is the external division. This is a point A and point B. Point A and point B. The point A x1 x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2. So as external point P divides this line segment in the ratio m is to n externally. So the formula will be m x2 minus n x1 upon m minus n, comma m y2 minus n y1 upon m minus n. So this point P divides this line segment AB in the ratio m is to n externally. So you can try these questions. So thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.